This tutorial will teach you how to share your CoSpaces with anyone, whether they have CoSpaces Edu or not. Ready? Let's get started! Open your CoSpace and click Share to choose how you want to share it. When you share a CoSpace unlisted, only the people you share it with will be able to view it. If you are a teacher using Pro, you can publish your CoSpace publicly to the gallery. Type in a name for your CoSpace, a description, and enable remixing if you like. This will let others get a copy of your CoSpace and edit it in their own version. When you're ready to share, click Share Unlisted. CoSpaces shared unlisted are limited to 1,000 views. You'll get various ways to share your CoSpace with anyone you want. Every CoSpace can be shared and accessed using a simple share code. Share your CoSpace and copy its share code to give it to others. They'll be able to enter it or simply paste it to access your CoSpace. You can also send others your CoSpace share link to let them directly click and open. When you share a CoSpace, you also get a unique QR code. QR codes can be scanned with a smartphone or tablet to easily access a CoSpace. Download your CoSpace's QR codes to include them as images in documents or presentations. Easily share your CoSpace on your favorite social media channels. Click a social media share icon to create a post including your CoSpace, personalize it, and share it with your friends and followers. You can also add your CoSpace to a website or blog using the embed code provided. Simply copy and paste the embed code to add it wherever you like. This will place your CoSpace on your page inside an embedded viewer, ready to be explored. The CoSpaces Edu Gallery is public and lets educators share CoSpaces with the community or get inspiration from others. The gallery is organized in 4 categories of main subject areas in schools: STEM and coding, social sciences, languages and literature, and arts and makerspaces. If you're using CoSpaces Edu Pro, you can publish CoSpaces to the gallery. This will let everyone find what you or your students have created in the CoSpaces Edu gallery. Gallery CoSpaces don't have any view limit and can be shared and played any number of times. You can, at any time, click Share to change your sharing options or to update your shared CoSpace. After you've made your edits, click Update to update your shared CoSpace. You can always see the date of the last version you shared. If you no longer want to share this CoSpace, simply click Stop Sharing. Gallery CoSpaces can be remixed by pro CoSpacers. This lets them copy and edit these CoSpaces as their own. Click it to get your own copy of this CoSpace, which you'll then find under your CoSpaces. Remixed CoSpaces can also be shared in their edited versions. When sharing a CoSpace that was remixed from someone else's creation, please mention the name of the CoSpacer who originally created it. You can simply include it in your CoSpace's description like this. If you're a teacher, you can manage your students' sharing permissions. This lets you define whether they're able to share their CoSpaces with others or not. Go to the user's dashboard where you can view all the students in your license plan. By default, student sharing permissions are set to forbidden. To change this, select a student and choose Allow Sharing or Forbid Sharing. You can also select multiple students and change their sharing settings for all. Another way to share your creations is to make a video of your CoSpace. The screen recording feature in CoSpaces Edu lets you make videos of your CoSpaces from a phone or tablet and share them online. Inside the CoSpaces Edu mobile app, open the CoSpace you want to share. Click the camera icon to make a video of this CoSpace. Click the red record button to start recording your screen. Click the stop button to end the video. This is a great way to share AR experiences. Switch to AR mode and film how your CoSpace looks when projected onto the real world. You can move around a CoSpace with your device, step back, get closer, etc. This video will record the AR experience exactly as you see it through your screen. When you want to stop recording, click the Stop button. You'll then be able to view your video or directly share it with others. As with any video file, you can save it onto your device and send it, but you can also share it on other platforms including Seesaw and Flipgrid. Another great way to share your creations is by exporting 360-degree images of your scenes. To do this, double-click or right-click on the camera in your scene, select Camera, and save 360-degree image. A 360-degree image of your scene will automatically be exported and saved to your downloads. You can then send this image to others to let them explore your scene or even dive into it in VR. Have fun sharing your creations with others and happy co-spacing!